So what if you've got a few PTRD rifles? You can set up a proper tank ambush. That's your edge. Grab a couple of soldiers with PTRD and put them in spots with clear lines of sight. Make sure they're well camouflaged. When the attack starts, take out the lead vehicle first. Next, hit the last one. That'll block the way for the rest. Then calmly work through the vehicles in the middle. With a team of PTRDs, you can halt a whole group of tanks. But here's the thing, a stopped tank isn't a destroyed tank. Never forget that.